Already got the FeelLife Plantar Fasciitis shoe inserts. Good for arch support. I don't actually have plantar fasciitis, but I do have high arches. And I've worn some kind of inserts my whole life for the most part. I've been very athletic as a young man. And as I've gotten older, you know, your feet aren't what they used to be. So these were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And I'm going to test them out in different scenarios and let you know what I think. So let's open this up and see what we get. I got the extra large size, where it's size 13. And the ones I got are fitted for size 12, size 13. First of all, as I put them on my desk, they're sticky. I can see there's a sticky part on here. Yeah, I guess it's going to be these two sections right here that kind of have a sticky section to them to help them stick into your shoe, keep them from moving around. So I can see that's working. It's black on the front. So you look down in your shoe and you see the black with the FeelLife logo on there and this nice little design on here. That's kind of cool. And on the outside, we have the gel cushion part. Right here is where the arch support is. You can see it's bendy and it flexes with these grooves cut in here, but that's where it's going to give you your arch support. Right where it's supposed to, in the front here, I'm hoping, and on the inside and the outside. So we will have to take these for a test spin and check them out. Let me put them in my house slipper. I got a house slipper down here I brought in for this. And I will show, let's see how this fits in here. Dead on fit. On the back here, it's got different sizes on there. So if you needed to, you can take a pair of scissors and trim them down to whatever size you need, all the way down to, so we get 8, 9, 10, 11, and it looks like they come in size 12, 13. And there's also the European sizes on here. So if you needed to trim them down, you can do that. And it gives you a size chart for that. All right, I've been wearing these things around the house all day long. And whenever I wear my house slippers, I wear them all over the yard, everywhere. So I've been wearing these things all day and they feel great. They feel pretty awesome, very comfortable. I'm gonna take these insoles out of here and I'm gonna put them in these shoes right here, because these shoes are super comfortable. They just run a little large. So let's see if adding these extra insoles solves this problem for me and gives me an added level of comfort. They fit right in there. Perfect. This is a game changer for these shoes right here, I'll tell you right now. These were a little loose on me, these insoles. I just put them in, just fixed the problem. Feel like I'm walking on air. The arch support feels great on it. And I'm not slipping and sliding anywhere. I totally love these. So if you're looking for an affordable insert for your shoes, whether you have plantar fasciitis or you just need arch support, this would be great for hiking, jogging, just everyday use at the office maybe, or just for your tennis shoes, for your work shoes. And I've put them in my house slippers. I'm going to try them out in my house slippers. All kinds of uses for these. Check out the FeelLife Plantar Fasciitis Arch Supports Relief Insoles. Check them out.